Hello, Year 6. So we're going to have a quick look at your science work for today. So the question is that I want you to consider is why could humans not live on just any planet? Now, you've started to look at a couple of different things over the past few days linked to space, which is our science topic. The first day, you were considering what things make up the solar system. So what are the different elements of the solar system? What are the different component parts? Yesterday, you had a look at labeling the different planets and finding out a little bit about one of them in particular. Here, I want you to consider the 7 planets that don't include Earth. So there are 8 planets in total. Earth is one of them. So today I want you to consider the 7 other planets. And this is the question, and we're thinking about why could humans not live on just any planet? So we have a solar system of 8 planets. How many of those planets have human life living on it? Only 1. But why is that? What has happened? What is special about Earth that means humans can live there? What's special about Earth that life develops here? Okay, why can humans and other animals, life, not exist on the other planets within our solar system? Earth is very, very special. A huge number of very special things had to happen in order for life to develop on Earth. And it hasn't happened on any of the other planets in our solar system and couldn't. But why? And that's what I want you to find out about today. So the boxes for each planet aren't huge. And as you look at information about each of the planets, I want you to find out specifically what it is about that planet that stops humans being able to live there. Now, I'm going to give you a little clue and a little hint to help you get started. So if I'm taking Mercury, which is the first planet away as we move away from the Sun. The Sun is in the center of our solar system. The first planet going away is Mercury. Now, there'll be more than one reason that life hasn't developed on Mercury. However, if I give you an example, I might suggest, now I want you to do your own research, so don't take my word for it here, but I might suggest that Mercury, because of how close to the Sun it is, its proximity to the Sun, the temperatures on the planet are too hot for life to develop. Okay, that could be something I might suggest. Then, logically, if we looked at Neptune, which is the furthest planet from the Sun, I could suggest, due to Neptune's distance from the Sun, the temperatures are too cold. There isn't enough warmth or heat or light on Neptune to support life. Now, I'm not saying for definite that they are accurate answers. They are contributing factors. But if I'm going to say that Mercury is too hot, I want to know what temperature it is on Mercury. And I want to know why it's that temperature. So Mercury is this temperature because it is this far away from the Sun, maybe. So those are a couple of hints that might give you a bit of guidance. Again, some of them you'll learn about the atmosphere of the planet. So it's got certain gases in the atmosphere that are poisonous to humans, let's say. That might be another reason that life can't exist on those planets. So look carefully, but the answers I want are very, very specific to why life, human life, and a life of animals cannot exist on those planets. Why can it exist on Earth, and why can't it exist on those planets? Now, it's a nice task. It's a really interesting task because you'll find out some very interesting facts. And it's really, really interesting as a human being living on Earth to consider why we are on Earth and not on Mars or on Jupiter or Saturn or anywhere else. So research carefully and think about the reasons you give for why life hasn't developed on those planets. Good luck with the work. I'll be really interested to find out what you learn about these different planets.